I like listening to people speak Russian. You ever heard people speak Russian? It's amazing. They just sound like they're talking backwards the whole time. Vladimir, that's a real swear word in Russian. Blat. It's almost like they didn't have a swear word and some guy drank too much vodka one night. Boris, how do you feel? Blat. He feels blat. Are there any Russian people here? Oh, all right. Where are you? You're Russian, bro? What's your name? What? Anand? Omar? Jamal? Where are you from, Anand? Your parents are from Uzbekistan. Oh, yeah, that makes more sense here.